Hi friends, today we will be discussing COVID-19 and pregnancy. So we all know by now that SARS-CoV-2 is the virus responsible for COVID-19. The COVID-19 infection itself is a dangerous disease, but add to that pregnancy. Exactly. But don't worry, with the help of research and recent guidelines, I will try to shed some light on the common questions around it. Hi friends, I'm your medico friend currently pursuing my residency in OBGYN, and here I am to help you answer some of the frequently asked questions around pregnancy and COVID-19. I hope by the end of this video I'm able to clear some of your doubts. But a disclaimer before that, this video is meant for educational purposes only and it does not replace a consultation with your own doctor or health professional. So the first question is, what preventive strategies should a pregnant woman follow to avoid COVID-19? The preventive strategies for a pregnant lady are the same as that for a non-pregnant one, like social distancing, wearing mask, following hand hygiene, adequate ventilation of indoor spaces, avoiding touching face frequently, and also frequent disinfection of your surroundings. Should pregnancy be planned during this pandemic? Yes, you can. But in case you are at high risk of contracting the infection, you should ideally wait. Are pregnant women at higher risk of having the infection? The risk of contracting the infection remains same as a non-pregnant individual. But once the person has the infection, the course is seen to be much more severe in a pregnant lady as opposed to a non-pregnant person. Can the infection be transmitted to the baby in pregnancy? So a few studies have shown that vertical transmission from mother to baby is possible, but it is very, very low. In fact, it is quite uncommon so far. Can COVID-19 infection cause miscarriage? No, the frequency of infection does not appear to be increased, but data is limited so far and we will need further studies to elaborate on it. Can the infection cause birth defects in the baby? No, the scientific data so far does not link COVID-19 infection with congenital anomalies in the baby. What mode of delivery should I choose if I have COVID-19 infection? Cesarean section or a vaginal delivery? So the indication for LSCAs in COVID-19 infected patients are the same as those in non-infected ones. That is, the need for LSCAs depends on obstetrical reasons alone. Unless the patient has severe lung complications from COVID-19 infection. How should a COVID-19 infected mother feed her baby? So COVID-19 infected mother can in fact breastfeed her baby as risk of transmission is really low. In fact, according to the American Academy of Pediatrics, breastfeeding is supported as long as the mother practices hand hygiene and wears mask during breastfeeding. If, however, mother and baby are separated, ideally the infant is fed express breast milk by another health caregiver. So I hope this helps and thank you for watching this video. And if you have any further queries, you can comment down below and I'll try to answer them all. And remember, this too shall pass. So stay safe, stay happy and stay healthy. Take care. Bye-bye.